Hi everyone, welcome along to another lick of today. John here, and here's today's one. Do that again for you. So this one, you're bending up this 10 on the high E. By the way, we're in A here, so we've got, and then let down and pick that 10th fret again. Pull off 13 to 10 on the B. 11 here on the G. 10 on the B. And a little curl on 13 on the B. And that's quite nice. One more time. Just about any pickup sounds good on that one if you put it in pickup 1. That sounds good. Or 4. See what you prefer for those ones.